Hello everyone, this is the Daily Markets Outlook for the 5th of September 2022 brought to you by OnePro, and this is Mohanad Yaoud, Head of Market Research. Today basically let's have a quick look on the markets. What do we have on our economic agenda? Basically we can see that by the beginning of the day we have two important weekends. It's a long weekend basically in the United States as well as Canada for the Labor Day. So today we won't be having any US market or US cash market session, which means that we might expect lower than usual volatility during the US trading on the US trading futures. We had some data by the beginning of the Asian session from the Australian economy regarding the retail sales month over month. And we can see here that it is much higher than the previous month, and it is just around the expectations of 1.3%. We had some data from the Great Britain, which is relating to the PMI, both the composite as well as the services PMI, and basically both of them were much negative, more negative than expected. The numbers are basically below the forecasts as well as below the previous readings for July. So August numbers from the British economy isn't as bullish as expected. Having a look on the technical analysis, we can see here that having a look on the dollar index, basically on a monthly time frame, what's happening here is that we are still trading in the descending price channel. However, the last upward swing on the US dollar index, which started roughly at June of 2021, is basically near to end. It's about to end basically around the levels of 112 to 113 points, which means that yes, we can still buy or go long the US dollar index on the short time frame and the medium time frame. However, on the long time frame, we are just about to reverse the whole direction on the US dollar index. However, on the daily time frame, we still have some upward momentum. The RSI is basically still going to the upside, and on the 4-hour time frame, we are seeing what seems to be some losing of momentum on the 4-hour time frame. However, on the 30 minutes time frame, and this is what basically matters for day traders, the dollar index started the week with an upward gap supported by a weaker euro after Russia decided to halt the gas production and exports to a eurozone. So basically, this added some bullish momentum on the US dollar index. However, what's happening at the moment is that the dollar index is just reversing direction just to fill the gap around the support levels of 109.60. And again, we will be adding to our long positions. So we are expecting a downward move of 15 points on the dollar index during the day, after which we will be adding to our long positions. The same basically goes for the euro versus the US dollar. We are again closing the gap here, which should be filled by the resistance levels around 0.9952. And again, we will be continuing the move lower. Having a look on gold trading currently at $17.14 per ounce. We mentioned during the previous week that we are having some strong support levels around 1700. We bounced off those strong support. We had this bearish correction. However, it seems to me that this correction has ended. And yes, we will be continuing the move to the upside to target the 1723 levels dollars per ounce. Let's end our video with the US Dow Jones. It's still basically trading in a sideways range. We are having our resistance levels around 32,000 points, whereas the support is 31,250. As long as we're having some bullish price action from here, and as long as we trade above the key support 31,175, we will be having our long positions entered on the US Dow Jones just to target the equilibrium level for the sideways range around the 31,600 points. And this is what we are having today in the markets, the key movements expected. Thank you so much for watching this, and please follow OnePro for more educational and analysis videos daily. Thank you, and please stay safe.